Well, what is going on, guys? My name is Martin and welcome to my another new video. I hope that you are doing really well today. Well, in case you're wondering where is my intro B-roll, it's here and it will be a little bit different this time. Now that we are back, let's jump right into today's video. So today we will dive into Premiere and I will give you guys one tip on how you can improve your audio using only Premiere Pro. If you are not a Premiere Pro user, don't worry because you will be able to use this tip in almost any kind of editing software out there. So let's say you are making a YouTube video like this one, or you are shooting, for example, an interview and the only thing you have is the Rode Video Mic Pro and a room that is not treated for recording audio. In this case, it is really important for your audio to sound as good as possible. So let's jump right into Premiere and let's see what we can do. Okay, so first you need to import your footage and put it into your timeline. Then go to the Effects panel and type in Equalizer. Now select the Parametric Equalizer and drag it onto your audio track. So nothing happened right now obviously because you need to customize your equalizer. So go to the Effects Control tab and scroll down to Audio Effects and then hit the Edit button. Well, the equalizer looks something like RGB curves but for audio. On the horizontal axis you have your frequencies and on the vertical there is the gain. So the default line is now on 0 dB, which means that it's not affecting any frequencies of your audio right now. So the principle of the equalizer is that it can boost and lower gain of specific frequencies of your audio. In my workflow, the first thing that I do is that I'm trying to identify frequencies that I want to get rid of. So the identification is pretty straightforward. On the horizontal axis you have 9 control points which you will use to manipulate your audio. First is the high pass filter, which will simply cut off all of the low bass frequencies below the frequency value. Then there is the control point for low frequencies, where you can actually change the shape of the curve. Then there are 5 other customizable control points, followed by high frequency control point and a low pass filter. Now for each control point you can change the frequency, gain and width. You can activate the high pass filter right away and set the frequency to something between 80 to 100 Hz. To identify all unwanted frequencies of your audio, you will have to go all the way through low frequencies, mid-range and high frequencies. However, I like to start with the high frequencies. Now all you have to do is to activate only one of your points except of the high pass filter and set the Q value to something like 5 or 6. Then boost the gain of that particular point all the way up and turn on the loop playback on your timeline. For starters, I like to loop that part of my audio with only the room tone without any voice. Now you have to just listen and find that unwanted frequency. So I think that this is the frequency that I would like to get rid of. Now all I have to do is to lower the gain to something between -4 and -6 dB. Now I will activate another control point, but this time in the low frequency range, and I will do the same thing. And now I will also check the mid-range. Now I will do the same thing, but this time for the part with my voice. For this part, I will drag another parametric equalizer onto my audio track. I really like to separate these adjustments into multiple layers because it's more clear and you can come back and tweak your adjustments easily. This is the test clip for audio. Test 1, 2, 3. Test clip for audio. Test 1, 2, 3. This is the test clip for audio. Test 1, 2, 3. This is the test clip for audio. Test 1, 2, 3. This is the test clip for audio. Test 1, 2, 3. This is the test clip for audio. Test 1, 2, 3. This is the test clip for audio. Test 1, 2, 3. This is the test clip for audio. Test 1, 2, 3. This is the test clip for audio. Test 1, 2, 3. So this is the audio before and after. This is the test clip for audio. Test 1, 2, 3. This is the test clip for audio. Test 1, 2, 3. This is the test clip for audio. Test 1, 2, 3. Now, as you can see, even these subtle adjustments can make significant difference in your final audio mix. I really hope that this video was helpful for you, and if you want more audio tutorials for filmmakers, go ahead and tell me down in the comment section. And also, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel because it really makes a difference for me, and I will see you in my next video. Peace!